Abafundi abangabona emehlweni bathi leli yithuba eliyingqayizivele kubona lokuthuthukiswa ngamakhono okupheka nokufundiswa ngokuzimela bekwazi ukuzenzela izinto ezithile.
I think it's one of the best things you can do for a blind person, to teach them how to make something, to teach them how to cook. I think it's amazing. It's a good feeling of eating something that you made.
At special school, everything you have aunts and staff that help you about everything, cook, clean, wash. So it's difficult to do things on my own, but because of Katanara School, I'm okay.
Lesikole asihlinzeki nje ngolwazi lokupheka kuphela, kepha nangamakhono okubaluleka kwempilo.
We want to teach our blind and partially sighted life skills, independent living and self-sustainability. We have an orientation and mobility team that generally goes out to homes where persons who become newly blind are assisted with their learning to relive again.
Lesikole asikhethi iminyaka kanti kufundwa mahhala. Abafundi abane sebevele baqalile ukuqeqeshwa yithimba labapheki abangamavolontiya okuzothatha amasonto 12.